This is the Denison Canal. We have stopped here for a toilet break on the way to Port Arthur. No idea what this is, but it's cool. So apparently this is a wedge-tail eagle and represents the 3 branches of government which built some road. Nice. And it's the spirit of cooperation and stuff.
We went to this amazing wildlife sanctuary with my aunt in Melbourne called Healesville, and they had this birds of prey show, except they had parrots as well, and they had a wedge-tailed eagle, and it's actually really obvious when they're flying. Like when they land, it really looks like a wedge.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, it's really neat.
It's corrugated iron rather than wedge.
Yeah.
This is a non-scenic lookout, according to Sherlockfan, because there's no mountains. It's pretty though, just not scenic.
It's cold water.
Yeah, scenic water, scenic. So there's going to be terribly scenic wind noise as well, so people won't even hear what I'm saying. Right, echidna chasing. We saw an echidna. We're going to get run over.
What am I shooting?
Oh, he doesn't like us. I'm sorry, echidna. Oh, he's cool. Oh, sorry, he saw me again. Probably going to get arrested for terrorising Australian wildlife. Out again.
Apparently they're incredibly strong. Like, I went to this talk about echidnas at the sanctuary, and once they're in this position, like the keeper was saying they can't lift them.
Wow.
And apparently one got under one of the fridges once and it was moving the fridge around on top of it.
Wow. I mean, how would you actually pick it up anyway once it's in that position? It's
yeah.
Now this is a lookout spot. We have stopped for a walk to the Tesselated Pavements. I'm guessing over there is where the pavementy things will be, because they look quite pancake rocky sort of rocks.
Yeah.
I'm assuming that Tesselated Pavement will be something similar.
Yes. I think so.
Okay, that's a tessellated pavement, and it is quite tessellated and pavementy.
Yes.
Have you ever heard that Billy Connolly skit about how everything in Australia is named so literally, like the Great Sandy Desert and the things like
Gardens.
and like, yeah, this is a tessellated pavement.
Yeah.
It's really neat though. This is really cool, this pavement. It's so easy to believe it's artificial. Like, that there is, it looks like a concrete block.
So it's a bit different to Punakaiki.
Yeah, it's equally as this can't be natural.
Yeah.
The water's so blue here though.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Like sounds.
Yeah. Let's grab more bricks down the end, well, blocks down there that looks like a convict built wall has fallen down or something.
Yeah.
We are being extreme explorers and extreme vloggers and other extreme things spelt with an X and not with an EX, because we have just risked all of these dangers.
Yes.
We are.
Were you properly prepared?
I was not prepared for the dangers. I don't know what it is about this sign that attracted our attention.
I remember we have to get cash out tonight.
Is it cash only?
Yep.
I've got some cash. Mum decided to give me Australian cash for my birthday a bit early. So
That's all.
yes, indeed.
Oh, that's clever. She's actually watching the weight on each one.
Ah.
The official. Except for I'm not going to pick up your sound, so.
All I can taste is the mint that I ate before coming in. It was a mistake.
Discoverylover making the ultimate decision.